welcome to my channel. Guess what I got today? I got my August Sew Sampler box and I was not expecting it, so I'm really excited. So let's unbox it together and see what we have for the month. Just to let you know, I purchased all these boxes with my own money and nobody pays me to do the videos. I just wanted everybody to know that I am doing this on my own time because I love showing you stuff we get in these quilting subscription boxes. I also do unboxings with other items like beauty, and I just having fun doing it. So if you can, please hit that like and subscribe button. It would really support my channel and it would know that you like seeing what I produce and want to see more, because it does take time. And the second disclosure I want to tell you, I am not a professional actress. I can barely speak on camera sometime. I'm a better writer than talker, but this is like my 30-something video so far, and I'm getting better over time. So please be kind if you think like, oh, she's not so professional. Like, this is just a hobby, and I am happy to show you a lot of things and share my life with you. So let's open the box. And this month it's called Rise and Shine. And as you know, Sew Sampler, we all love their green box and we all love the packaging. At least I do. I think it's aces. This month is a coupon code for 30% off of It's So Emma Foundation paper pads. So I'm covering the code, but that's what you could buy at the Fat Quarter Shop. Ooh, wait a second. Here's the card. Rise and Shine again, August 2020 box. And I will go through the box items with the card. The first thing on top is really something I've never seen before. It's a rotating cutting mat. It is 6.5-inch square. Oh, this is amazing. It's gonna rotate for us, guys. It starts, oh, and it also has, do you see? They've marked the 1.5, 2.5, 3.5 inch, etc., up to 5.5-inch square. This is so cool. This is exclusive at the Fat Quarter Shop. Never seen this before. This is really good. I'm happy, and it retails for $14.98, so $15. That's a really good item. Happy. Second item, we got not one, mine's a little messy, but 2 5-inch charm squares. How cool is that? It's Backyard Blooms by Allison Harris under Wyndham Fabrics. Wow, I like these. I'm into country chic, shabby country, whatever you want to call it. So this kind of looks right up my alley. I'll go through these fabrics pretty quickly because I truthfully don't know if you guys get bored when you see people on YouTube showing each individual fabric. But I will go through quickly. It seems like, yeah, it's 2 colors of each one. So let's see if I can do it by 2s. Well, that's cool. Looks like roosters, chickens, roosters. It's in a gray background, white background. Oh, I like this. Check it out, it's words. That's neat, and it comes in 2 colors. It comes in the blue and like a teal blue. And then we have, oh, it also comes in white with different colors. Sweet. Then we have blues with little white circles. Very nice. And they have that in yellow. Oh, I'm excited to see the project. Teal and red. So, this, you're either gonna love it or hate this kind of fabric. I like it. It's happy fabric for me. And I like that, the little crosses. I'm sure, yep, it comes in blue and greenish tones. And then we got some stripes. I just got one blue, one red. There's no doubles. And then here flowers. And these are in doubles. I hope you can see it good on this camera. Well, I'm just using my cell phone actually. I hope like it's coming in focus. I will see when I make the video. And that's blue, and this is the last one. Same flowers, just different color, different colors and different background. So that's really nice. I like these, and we got 2 of them. Dos. And that retails for $19.96. $20. Really nice. Okay, let's see what else we have. Okay, this is needles. These are just regular hand sewing needles for hand sewing, probably even maybe embroidery. There's different sizes. There looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 different sizes. So if you are a hand sewer, you know, I hand sew a little bit, not much, but this is very nice. And I bet you I can use the larger ones for embroidery and cross stitch. I do cross stitching, I like that. So that's cool, and that is valued at $1.48. And then, oh, this is something I've never used before. It's also by Lori Holt. It's called Crazy Quilt Paper. So 1 crazy quilt paper needed per 5-inch square, and you can complete 3 blocks, use at least 3 different 5-inch squares. So it has directions, and hopefully, I mean, I'm very visual. I'm gonna Google to see if there's a video on this, because I've never really used papers before. So it'll be an interesting skill to learn, and it doesn't look hard. And this is a value at $4.48. So it's designed for 5-inch charm squares. It is simple to use and delivers unique blocks. This crazy block technique is as addictive as it is fun and rewarding. Try it with the exclusive Crazy Daisy pattern and the Backyard Blooms charm pack. You betcha, I will. And then the last thing, well, there's 2 more things. Oh wow, this is really pretty. That's the pattern for this month. And you can make a lap size version or twin. So the fabric here is for the lap version. It needs 2 charm packs, and the twin is going to need 5. And then you have to buy the finishing kits, or I mean, one of them is 5/8 yard for binding. I have binding. And if you do a white background like as shown here, you're gonna need 1 5/8 yard. So I love how Fat Quarter Shop does their instructions. I always find them really clear, and I like the paper they printed on, and they make it easy to follow. So cool, you can make a lap or a twin, and you use those papers. So if you want, you can make the pattern. I don't know if I'm gonna make the pattern, but I'm definitely gonna use the fabric. And then here is the Greatest Hits pattern block. And I think this always retails like for $4.99, $4.98, off a penny. So I have not been doing these, I'm saving them up. But you know, they sure make interesting blocks. And that's the finished block, if you want to look at it up close. So I like this box a lot. I am happy. I really like this because I'm always doing, you know, like side cutting while I'm working, and I'm just hoping this little rotary thing works well while you're cutting. So it's going to be interesting to see how this works. self-healing and lightweight with a non-slip base. So I hope it works good. And if it doesn't work good, you can always just use the top part flat on a table. So we'll see how it works out. I'm using a lot of the word works. So that's it. What did you think of the August Quilty box? I want to give a shout out to my son David. Something about me, I am a Marine mom. My son David is a Lance Corporal in the United States Marine Corps, and I'm missing him so much every single day. So shout out to David. I love you and I miss you a lot. He just turned 20 last month, and unfortunately we weren't able to see him on his birthday because of COVID, and he's restricted to base. So soon, Dave, soon. Back to the box. I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the box. And I hope you subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. Just hit that little red button. It is free. Just subscribe to the House of Jane. And I will see you in the next video. Put your comments down below. Tell me what you thought of the box. If you have a question for me, anything, I answer all my comments. I am still a small channel. I answer everything. And I love interacting with you guys. Anyway, goodbye. Have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye.